That's eyeliner, Mama. I
Okay.
told you you could put lipstick on, which I see you did. You pretty girl. Alright, go ahead, let me see. Don't poke yourself in the eye.
Okay.
You love putting makeup on, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. My baby girl. Look, you gotta look in the mirror, honey. How could you put that on if you don't look in the mirror? My God, my heart. I love her so much. You're so good at that, Mama. You're a professional.
Yeah.
I love you. You're my baby, you know that?
Yeah.
1 out of the 4. You love me?
Yeah.
You love makeup, huh?
Mm-hmm.
My little girly girl.
Who put this on?
Put that on? Okay, good. You're doing a good job with your makeup.
Mommy, this what?
Eyeliner. Yeah. That goes on the eyeline, Mommy. Over here, shadow. Eyeshadow goes over here.
This eyeliner.
Yes, that's eyeliner. Yes, baby.
Oh.
Oh, I can't. Look at underneath the eye. Oh, Mama, I love you. Let me see you. Oh, my God. Let me see, pretty girl. Look at you. Look at Mommy. You do a good job with makeup, Mommy, but look, you're not supposed to have it over here. It's got to go on your eye line. Oops. On your eye line over there.
Oh.
You're doing a good job.
Who put this on?
You want to put that on?
Mommy.
That's for lips. I don't know why is that up there. That's lip liner.
Oh.
Actually, you know what? Yes, the lip liner should all go over here. Let me see how you put that on. Alright, go ahead.
Okay.
That's for lips, not eyes.
Oh. Lip?
Mm-hmm. Mm. What a great job, Princess here. I love you.
Where are you?